If you've been keeping up with my journey into the world of meal delivery services, you know that I'm doing my best part to not gain weight, but also to figure out who the winners and losers are. And for the most part, I've been the loser. No changes there. But for the past 2 months or so, I've been experimenting with Factor 75, and so far I've had an excellent experience. So I gave it those 2 months of using Factor before making this review so that I'd have enough time and experience to see if it really lived up to the hype. And so in this video, I'm going to try to give you a full picture of Factor 75, their flavors, ingredient quality, compatibility with special diets, pricing model, and some things that make Factor stand out compared to the other services in the space. And to be completely transparent, I'll also explore some downsides I've faced with Factor, and at the end of the video, I'll let you know whether I recommend them or not. So to kick things off, for those of you who might not be totally familiar, Factor 75, or just Factor as they go by now, is a meal delivery service that delivers completely pre-cooked, ready-to-eat meals. And with a strong emphasis on health and well-being, they work with dietitians and chefs to deliver meal options that taste good and are nutritionally balanced. But something that sets them apart is their commitment to using organic ingredients wherever possible, so you don't have to worry about GMOs, hormones, or preservatives. And just to put it out there, when I signed on, I managed to find a special link for Factor 75, which automatically applied a discount that I wouldn't have been able to get had I gone straight to their website. So if at any point you decide that you want to try them out, I'll leave the link for you down in the description below. Now, in terms of quality ingredients, this is where they really shine. While some meal delivery services call themselves healthy, in reality they cut a lot of corners to make it organic. So at some point it might have been healthy, but not so much anymore. But Factor 75 understands how much healthier it is when people eat organic. So they make sure that they don't put any GMOs, hormones, preservatives, or refined sugars in any of their food. Now don't get it twisted, not everything Factor 75 does is perfect. Like any other product or service, they have their downsides. For instance, I wish they'd offer wild-caught salmon as opposed to the farmed salmon they use for the recipes. I didn't even know that salmon could live outside of water, let alone farm. So it's a small issue, but I think that it's worth mentioning on account of their organic approach. But on the flip side, their chickens are all raised humanely, and their meats are sourced from grass-fed, pasture-raised animals, which is something you rarely see in pre-cooked meals. Alright, so after you've signed up and received your first Factor box, what's next? Well, all the meals come in ready-to-heat and eat plastic containers with a plastic film sealing them. So all you have to do to prepare your meal is pierce the protective film covering it and throw it in the microwave on high for about 2 to 3 minutes. Or if you have a bit of extra time, you can take off the film top and bake it in the oven for around 5 to 10 minutes or so once the oven's hot. But just keep in mind that some meals come with sauce containers, which should of course be taken out before heating both in the microwave and the oven. And if you have the time, I always recommend using an oven rather than a microwave whenever possible. I think that an oven does a much better job evenly heating and maintaining the flavor than a microwave does. But this isn't just true for Factor meals. I prefer using an oven just generally across the board. Okay, so in terms of flavor, you think that meals delivered to your door might be bland, but I was actually really surprised that from the first bite, it's pretty clear that Factor puts a ton of effort into their meals. In fact, it easily tasted better than any pre-cooked meal that I've ever had. I wish I actually knew about this when I was in college instead of ramen 24/7. And I think that it's the combination of all the high-quality ingredients and all the spices. In fact, the average meal has around 20 to 30 ingredients and spices, something that was a foreign concept to me when I was in college. But really, when was the last time you had any pre-cooked meals, or even most meals that you get in a restaurant that had many ingredients and spices? They also have a lot of different options when it comes to cuisines, and there are even meal plans that are vegetarian and keto-friendly. The G always gets me. The range of flavors, cuisines, and options is actually really impressive, unlike my reading comprehension ability. For instance, the chicken parmesan that I ordered was very crunchy, although I will say that I was in a bit of a rush when I ate it, so I threw it in the microwave. And I know that the breading would have been crispier had I heated it up in the oven. Now, I'm a cheese lover. I really like cheese. I'm a cheese boy living in a cheese world, let's say. So I was pretty skeptical that Factor's cheese wouldn't live up to my high standards, but the cheese was surprisingly really flavorful and it melted nicely on top of the chicken. Now, I don't know that the chicken thought it was as good, but I could tell that the cheese was really high quality and not the cheap, tasteless stuff that barely passes as food. Of course, it wasn't the greatest that I ever had in my life or even in the top 5, no, I don't keep a list, but the quality definitely caught me off guard. And the tomato sauce wasn't bland and also wasn't too ketchup-y or sweet. It sort of struck a harmonious balance that just worked for me. Like, have you ever listened to Pavarotti? Yeah, it's something like that. And the spicy poblano beef bowl was definitely spicy. It also had a lot of ground beef, and on the side it had broccoli, rice, and sour cream. And I was worried that the sour cream would be watery and sort of tasteless, but it was actually really rich. It even laughed at my bank account. but on top of that, it was also creamy and full of flavor. It definitely took the dish to the next level. Now, the poblano bowl wasn't one of my absolute favorites, but it was definitely a winner, and I'll be ordering it again. For research purposes, of course. I think that if I put it in a tortilla with some guacamole, it would have been next level. Okay, so now let's talk a little bit about diet compatibility. They offer options ranging from keto to paleo and even vegetarian. It seems like they're trying to cater to everyone. So if you're following a specific diet, like the Mediterranean diet or high-protein diet, you can generally be accommodated pretty easily. And in terms of the ingredients, their nutrition labeling, both on the package and online under each meal, includes all the important things like calories and macronutrition ratios, and the ingredients are all listed right on every package, so it's really detailed and easy to understand. Now, in terms of pricing, Factor offers several pricing models that depend on how many meals you want to receive per week. If you go with a minimum of 6 meals per week, you'd be looking at a cost of about $13.50 per meal. And if you want more meals, or if you want to save some money, the meals get as low as $11 per meal if you order at least 18 per week. Because, as with most services or products, the more you order, the lower the per meal cost. Now, one thing that I want to mention is that Factor does fall on the pricier side of the pre-cooked meal delivery spectrum, but I do think it's a fantastic value, and here's why. So if I went out to the cafe that my wife and I like to eat at, it's not only going to end up costing me a lot more than Factor would, but it's also going to take a lot more of my time. And I think the reason why Factor helps so many people stick to their diets is because of the convenience of having meals when you're busy or at work, times when it'd be really easy to just forget about your diet altogether. So the convenience of having ready-made Factor meals in my freezer helped me to save a lot of time and kept me on a healthier diet actually. But if you want to save a bit more money, as I mentioned earlier, if you do decide to give Factor a try, I left the discounted link that I used when I signed up in the description below. With it, you'll automatically get a discount that you wouldn't be able to get by going straight to their website, so feel free to take advantage of that as well. Now on to the customer service experience. So they offer live chat, email, and phone support, and in my experience, they were really friendly and helpful. For example, one of my meals came open, and some of the ingredients and sauce spilled onto some of the other meals that were in the box. It made the outside of the other meal sticky, and of course, I had to throw what was left of that one out. So I reached out to customer service, and they not only issued a full refund, but also gave me a discount on my next order, which I was really happy with. And when it comes to delivery, the meals always arrived when they said they would, and aside from that one time when one of the meals came open and I had to deal with customer service, it's been perfect for me. The meals come in insulated boxes with a bunch of ice packs, which have always been cold enough to keep the meals frozen whenever I unpack the boxes. You know, the more I talk about it, the hungrier I get. Don't even open the box, I just eat the whole box itself. And in terms of both sourcing their ingredients and their packaging, they really put a strong emphasis on sustainability. For example, the meals come in recyclable packaging, and they try to work with farmers who specifically use sustainable farming practices. They also strive to source locally whenever possible, which reduces their overall carbon footprints. Now, their website is user-friendly and easy to navigate. From choosing meals to setting dietary preferences and payment options, the whole process is really straightforward. They even offer an app, which I think is extremely convenient for making changes to my orders or looking for new meals. Now, to sum it up, Factor offers an experience that's kind of hard to beat. They make really tasty food, it's organic, they use grass-fed and pasture-raised meat, and the fact that you can get such high-quality food with the convenience of a pre-cooked meal that you'd get from the store is actually incredible. And the fact that this food tastes almost as good, and at times as good as my favorite organic cafe in town, is pretty remarkable. Not to mention the convenience of it. And although it may be on the higher end of the meal delivery spectrum, the quality of the meals and the convenience they offer, in my opinion, is well worth the cost. And if you asked me, I would personally recommend Factor. Whether you're busy, you prefer organic, high-quality ingredients, or you're just looking to make life a little simpler, Factor 75 has something for just about everyone. Alright, so there you have it, a comprehensive review of the Factor 75 meal delivery service. I hope this review answered all of your questions and helped you make a decision about whether they're right for you or not. And that's gonna be it for today. I really hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more. And like I mentioned before, if you want to try Factor out, check out the link in the description below to get that discount I mentioned that you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to their website. Also, feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to try to answer them as quickly as I can. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.